Good morning, children. Today we will start the new chapter of Geography, chapter 4, Air. So, first we know that without air we cannot live. Air everywhere we found, and air has no shape, no weight. When it occupies space, then it has space and weight. So, next is the what is atmosphere? Atmosphere means it is a thin layer of gases that surround the earth, and it seals the planet and protects us from the vacuum of space. It protects us from electromagnetic radiation given off the sun. If simply we say atmosphere means the blanket of gases that surrounded the earth's surface. So you know that there is a blanket that covered by the earth that is known as atmosphere, and it is useful for the survival of the human being, and ये हमें human being को survive करने के लिए help करते हैं. Then it protect us from harmful effect of the sun's rays. So जितने हमें ऐसे if you know that we can use air for breathe, it helps us to breathe, and it helps us the living beings to survive and breathe, and it also protect us from the harmful rays from the sun. Without this blanket of protection, we would be baked alive by the heat of the sun during the day and get frozen during night. ये भी हमें मालूम है कि एकदम यदि ये ब्लैंकेट नहीं होता, तो ये जो थिन लेयर जो ब्लैंकेट है वो नहीं होता, तो हम गर्मी में एकदम बेक हो जाता, मतलब पक जाता, और नाइट में फ्रोजन हो जाता, आइस हो जाता. सो वी नीड या ईट दिस ब्लैंकेट, the blanket thin layer of air that is called atmosphere, and that thin blanket of earth protect us from what you say the harmful rays from the sun. Next topic, the atmospheric is a mixture of, what are the mixtures? That are nitrogen, oxygen and other gases. So how much, what is the percentage of nitrogen in the atmosphere? That is 78%. The atmosphere traps heat and the nitrogen traps the heat. Then come to oxygen. The percentage of oxygen in the atmosphere is 21%, making the temperature on earth comfortable for living being. So the percentage of the oxygen can make the temperature on the earth for the comfortable of the living beings, that is plants and animals and human beings. And other gases are 1%. The oxygen within our atmosphere is essential for life. So these are the mixture of the atmosphere, which are the nitrogen, oxygen and other gases. And come to the composition of the atmosphere. That is, what do we take in? That is oxygen. हम क्या लेते हैं अंदर? That is oxygen, breathe के लिए. The air we take in while breathing is actually a mixture of many gases. जो गैस हम breathing के लिए inhale करता है, वो that is a mixture of many gases. See, what are they? Nitrogen and oxygen are two gases which make up the bulk of the atmosphere. Next, carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, argon and hydrogen are found in lesser quantities. So what are the bulk amount of gases are present in the atmosphere? That is nitrogen and oxygen, and less amount of gases are found in the atmosphere are carbon dioxide, helium, ozone, argon and hydrogen. Tiny dust particles are also present in the air. Another is the dust particles, tiny particles, which are the smallest, सबसे छोटा. That is the tiny particles are also present in the air. Plants also need nitrogen to their survival. So the plants need nitrogen for their survival. As a human being, the plants also need nitrogen to their survival. They cannot take nitrogen directly from the air. So another main thing is the plants never take the nitrogen directly from the air. So then how they take the nitrogen from the air? See. Therefore, bacteria that live in the soil and roots of some plants take nitrogen from the air and change its form so that plants can use it. So, with the help of bacteria, so you know that is found in the soil, and with the help of this, the root of the plants can take the nitrogen for the plants to use of the plants. So this way the plants can take nitrogen from the air. Next is composition of the atmosphere. Oxygen, second most plentiful gases on the earth, on the atmosphere. On the atmosphere. Human and animals take oxygen from the air as they breathe. Green plants produce oxygen during photosynthesis. So, हम कैसे? According to a human being, they can take oxygen from the air as they breathe. जब हम breathe करते हैं, तो we are taken directly oxygen from the air. But how the plants can take the oxygen from the air? So the green plants produce oxygen during photosynthesis. When they produce their food, that time they take oxygen from the air. Another important gas, or which is the another important gas? That is carbon dioxide. Why? Green plants use carbon dioxide to make their food and release oxygen. So another thing is plants take carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Plants carbon dioxide लेते हैं because of the carbon dioxide. With the help of carbon dioxide, the plants can make their food. The amount of carbon dioxide released by humans or animals seems to be equal to the amount used by the plants, which make a perfect balance. So ये दोनों plants and human beings हम दोनों balance करके चलते हैं. We release carbon dioxide, then take oxygen inside for breathing. At the same time, the plants release oxygen and carbon dioxide, take carbon dioxide. With this help of carbon dioxide, they make their food.
Okay, children, this is the end of this today's session. We will start the new topic in the next class. Till then, bye.